Good morning, guys. It's Brenda with Native Roots Salsa Company, coming to you from a Tuesday morning instead of a Monday night. We ran into a little time issue last night and we weren't able to film the intro for our Monday night dinner series, but we did film the cooking and we're going to get into that right after this intro. So tonight, or last night, we did a creamy jalapeno ranch potato salad, kind of a loaded potato salad. And then we did some grilled pork chops. The pork chops had been marinating for about 48 hours in our Just Hot Enough Green. Of course, that is a long time, but like I said, we ran out of time. So anywhere from 4 to 24 hours is great on the marinade. But let's get into the video. Well, we're rolling now. Water's boiling. I'm probably going to boil this pot over too, knowing me. So sometimes you really should take your bacon out the first time you look at it and don't put that extra 3 minutes on it. However, I do like my bacon crispy, and since we're going to break it up and put it in this potato salad, I wanted to make sure that it did hold its crisp and it wasn't limp going into the salad. But all of this nice liquid gold back here, don't throw that in the trash. You want to put this in a glass jar. You can strain it to get all the little bits and pieces out, but put it in a glass jar, let it cool down, cover it, and store it in the refrigerator. That makes a great cooking base. It's a great starter for a lot of things. let David do the taste test tonight, and then I'll make my plate. He's officially on vacation, but it's a working vacation, and we appreciate it all.
Pictures of us floating back just like a wave. Makes me wonder what happened, what you're up
How's it taste?
today. Remember when we stole your mother's car? We drove for days.
Because you're super tired and hungry, it's gonna work.
That's good. Let's try this potato salad.
Higher than the ceiling, little fingers to the sky. I remember thinking if I only
Got a nice little kick. I added some extra black pepper.
way back when we didn't care.
Wish I had had the shredded
Excellent.
cheese, but
People could stare.
Oh, it doesn't need it.
Didn't give a damn 'cause
Doesn't need
I
it.
was being next to you. Way back when we didn't care what they said.
It's aware.
People could stare.
Pork chop dinner.
Didn't give a damn 'cause all I needed was
Ain't got nothing on this guy, baby.
way back when. Way back when. Remember when my father taught us how to play guitar? And we started up a band in my garage. We thought our dream would take us so far, but after a week or so it all just fell apart. But we were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. I remember thinking if I only could stop the time right now. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn 'cause I was being next to you. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn 'cause all I needed was my friend. Way back when, way back when.